Hello everyone, today Saksana is going to prepare Bhel puri. So first let's talk about Bhel puri. Bhel puri is a slightly sweet, spicy and sour tasting chaat snack which is quite nutritious and made with puffed rice, veggies and save. It is a very popular street food and mostly loved by everyone. This dish has originated from Mumbai and became one of the most loved food. There are two kinds of Bhel puri. One is wet and the other one is dry. So here I am going to make dry Bhel. Hello everyone, here are some puffed rice, some tomatoes. I will add tomatoes to it. I will add some onions to it. Mix it well. Now add some save. And now add some chaat masala. Now we will add some green chilies, some black salt and some ketchup. Mix them well. Spread the lemon. Mix it well. Now our bhel is ready to serve.